Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pause video recording on iPhone. I will be just open my iPhone settings and just finding the journal settings, and here is the about to phone. Just get in and just check it your iOS version. Right now I will be on the latest version of 18.3, or make sure you will be just before video recording on your iPhone. You will have to update it your iOS version 18.3 must or above. After updating your phone, simply just move in the iPhone camera, switch to video, and I will just start the video recording. And here is the left bottom corner option is the pause option. I will just tap to pause it and change the camera direction. Again, just tap on it. The right bottom corner option is red icon and video is start. So now I will be just again move it this video, and I will just end it this video as well, and I will just check it. So here you will see in this way you will just have to pause video recording on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.